So you're ready to kickstart your digital design and print journey? First, you'll need to log in to your Vista account. Let's show you how. Go to the VistaPrint website and in the top right corner, click Sign In. Here, you can log in with two different methods. The first is by using your email address and entering your password. Once complete, click Sign In. The second option allows you to use your Google, Facebook or Apple account. For Apple, you'll see this page where you need to add your email or phone number. For Gmail, you'll be directed to this page. Click to choose your account and continue to use your Vista account or your Gmail account. Finally, for Facebook, on this page, fill in using your email or phone number and the password associated. Remember that once you use your Google, Facebook or Apple account, you won't be able to reset your password through VistaPrint. If you signed in via option 1 and you can't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password, fill in your email and change it with the password that you will receive from us. If you still don't have a VistaPrint account, simply click on Sign In, create an account, fill in your first and last name, email, a password, and then you can start enjoying the creation of your VistaPrint products. Have fun creating your designs and printing your products. Thank you for watching.